Okay, this might be a little confusing. We're going to talk about what groups can be nested inside of other groups. And you certainly can nest groups within each other. However, it can be very confusing and you don't need to memorize all of these rules for the MTA. But the more familiar you are with them, the easier it will be when you take your MTA because little hints might be here and there in your questions. First of all, domain local groups. These can contain other domain local groups from their own domain. They can contain global groups from anywhere on the forest. They can contain universal groups from anywhere in the forest. And they can contain accounts from elsewhere in the forest. Global groups can contain global groups from their own domain and accounts from their own domain. Remember, they can be applied, though, to other parts of the forest. The rules of permissions can be applied to other parts of the forest. Universal groups can contain global groups or universal groups or domain local groups from anywhere in the forest and accounts from anywhere in the forest. All right, that's very, very confusing. And to make it even more confusing now, we're going to talk about how to nest the groups in the most secure way.